We have 10 secret Norwegian Gem tips just for you, starting with tip number 1. Get delicious, complimentary food all day long at O'Shea's Bar and Grill.
So good.
Yes, we really love O'Shea's Bar and Grill. They have great breakfast. I love the thick cut French toast. So crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. You don't even need maple syrup. You barely need butter.
Really?
So good. They have English breakfast, American breakfast, so many great breakfast options.
Pancakes.
No charge. No charge. It's included. Pancakes, waffles.
Good Reubens.
Good Reubens. Well, that's not breakfast, but yeah, lunch.
Yep.
And it is a bar and grill, so they have great pub food.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I know you really like those little pretzel bites.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and chewy and soft on the inside, and they give you that beer cheese dip.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Don't miss out on O'Shea's Bar and Grill.
That's right.
The food's complimentary. If you want drinks with it, it's a bar and grill, so they've got beer and cocktails, but that either goes on your drink plan or you purchase at regular prices.
That's right.
The food, 24 hours a day.
So
breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Avoid the crowd at the buffet and the main dining room. Go to O'Shea's.
Yeah,
What's
definitely.
tip number 2?
So watch the captain and crew in action from the bridge viewing room at the front of deck 11. So it's so cool to watch them all doing their thing.
That's a really good secret tip because not a lot of people will know about that, and it's hard to find. Go all the way forward on deck 11, past all of the staterooms. Look for it. You'll see a window. Check it out. You can see some excitement. You can see some nautical information. See it in action.
That's right.
Pretty exciting.
Mm-hmm.
There are times where they might close it off if they're really busy doing something, but most of the time you can go and watch.
Mm-hmm.
Good tip. Tip number 3. Try not one, but both 2 steakhouses. There's 2 steakhouses on Norwegian Gem. Cagney's for the American style fine dining steakhouse. And then there's the Brazilian steakhouse.
The Brazilian.
Moderno Churrascaria.
Yes.
What does that have?
Experience. It has a huge salad bar.
I knew you'd start with the salad bar. It's got a huge salad bar. I was pretty impressed with it too. But the steak comes in the form of meat on skewers.
Yeah.
Beef.
Like chicken. Ham.
Yeah. And they come around. They bring you meat until they slice it off for you as much as you want. You have a little card that's red for don't give me any more right now, or green for bring it on. Yeah. And bring it around sausages. It's so much good food.
Oh my gosh.
All grilled right there on the ship. Yeah. And the final thing, you smell it coming. So many good smells. But the
grilled pineapple with brown sugar is so good.
Brown, cinnamon, sugary, and so
and it's like caramelized on pineapple. Oh, so good.
That's the Brazilian steak, Moderno Churrascaria. Book that one and book the other one, Cagney's. Some of the best steaks I've ever had at Cagney's, whether it's a ribeye, a filet, or surf and turf. What's tip number 4?
Head to the atrium for your specialty coffee from Starbucks, like a Frappuccino, skinny latte.
You can get your favorite Starbucks beverage right there on board. That is awesome. You're still naming them off. Okay, I know you got a lot of favorites. Don't miss out on that one. That's a great one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know we like to go to the Starbucks whenever you find them on a Norwegian ship.
Yeah.
If you like that, or if you like any of this, be sure to hit the thumbs up below and like this video. Lets us know that you're enjoying this sort of thing, so we make more of it.
That's right.
Now, tip number 5. Relax with an amazing view in the Spinnaker Lounge. During the day, you can watch the ocean. You can see from the front of the ship. Beautiful views, and it's a relaxing space. But then come back at night.
Ooh.
The view, it might be a little dark to see out the windows, but the Spinnaker Lounge comes alive with live entertainment and dancing.
Yeah.
This is a great hub on the ship. All the way forward. Great place to hang out.
That's right. Tip number 6. Enjoy your meal at the great outdoors on deck 12.
Yeah, this is a great spot just past the Garden Cafe buffet area at the very aft of deck 12, like Joy said. Outdoor seating you can enjoy. Food, buffet food, you can bring it from the Garden Cafe out there. They also often have a smaller buffet running, and they have a little bar. So you can enjoy drinks, enjoy the view, and enjoy food at the great outdoors. That is a great tip.
Yes.
Now, tip number 7. Download the Cruise Norwegian app before your cruise. This way you can track your onboard spending, view daily activities, and much more. We've put a link to this in the description down below.
Great. And tip number 8, get active on Deck 13 with basketball court, shuffleboard, and jogging track, and more.
Nice. Before we get to our final 2 tips, be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Just a way to follow us. It doesn't cost anything. And so you can see more great tip videos, our Cruise Day Fun podcast, cruise food, and so much more.
Yes.
Just click down below. Tip number 9, be sure to book your specialty dining reservations as soon as possible, as many of these times and venues sell out before embarkation day. Check the My NCL section on ncl.com to see when you can make your reservations.
That's right. Tip number 10, to make your stateroom extra comfortable, order your bottled water, snacks, and gifts.
Yeah, and you can do that before your cruise. In fact, you need to do it before your cruise. Have all those things waiting there for you. You can even surprise someone else in your party with decorations and treats.
And cookies.
That's right.
And cakes.
And for more on Norwegian Gem, be sure to watch this video next.